Hello and welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm April from The Moon is My Calendar, and I want to share a simple and effective way for charting with the moon and working with the new moon calendar and journal. So one place to start is asking yourself, what do I want to feel more of in my life? What do I want to invite into my life? For example, say that you want to feel more focused. Maybe there's a project that you're working on that isn't getting anywhere and you'd like to be more focused. So you can write that word. On this page, there's the new moon mandala. You can do this on the new moon. That is a beautiful practice. You can also do it at another time that works for you. There isn't a deadline. This is for you and what is supportive for your process in your journey. I like to draw symbols. That's something that I know about myself, that I interpret the world through color and symbol. So for me, this symbol represents focus. There's a point and two arrows pointing towards that. That helps me feel and remember what it feels like to be focused. And being focused means, for me, being present, taking inspired action, and also cultivating rest. It's not about being focused and productive all the time. So then I might put this somewhere in my environment where I'll be able to see it and remember, oh yeah, that's what matters to me. This is effective because we know where our attention goes. Our energy is going to flow in that direction and make more of that. So the next page in this tool, in this calendar and journal, is the seeds and intention page. I know it's hard to see with the light. So here I might just write a sentence for myself. I am easily focused on the things that matter. I'm able to enjoy my life. I'm able to be of service. You know, getting into what it means and why it matters to you to be focused. So I'm not stressed out because things aren't being done because of a lack of focus. So writing that sentence for yourself, and then anywhere you can start, really just start where you are. So if it's the middle of the lunar cycle, find the day on the outside edge and just start there. You don't have to wait for the perfect time because there is no perfect time, right? This is a work in progress. So I'll just say on this day, okay, I felt focused. Also choose for yourself. Do you want to make this note before you go to bed at night or when you wake up in the morning? Is there a time during the day? This small, repeated action over time will build and deepen your relationship with yourself, with the moon, and with cycles. Make it easy, make it simple, make it irresistible. The next day, was I focused? Was I not focused? I don't know. I'm just going to put a question mark. And then go around in this way. You can write the word, again, if you work better with language. There's no one way, there is your way, and you develop that way for the self-study. So then you have information to work with and to go on. And that can invite the curiosity and the questions. I wonder why some days I'm more focused than others. Perhaps I wonder if it has something to do with what phase the moon is in. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. If you bleed, I wonder if it has to do with where I am in my cycle. Visually, because this calendar is a circle, then you can start to see and anchor yourself in relationship to the phases of the moon. In the beginning, make it super, super simple. One thing, one action each day. Then over time, you can start to see what is shifting, what isn't aligning with what it is that matters to me in my life. How is that shifting? How can I work with this information to be gentle and compassionate with myself, and also take action in the areas that I need to take action in. So if you like this video and you want to learn more about charting with the moon, lunar cycles, astrology, subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like support in working with the new moon calendar and journal, there's a Facebook group. So you can sign up in the link below and be a part of this movement of really working with the cycles in nature, working with ourselves, not against ourselves, to really be in communication with our higher self, with what is possible, and with knowing that this journey is a work in progress. So thank you so much for being here and for trusting this unfolding practice. Sat Nam.